Hey guys, Colin McLeod of the StockMarketBasics.com. Continuing on with our intraday stock picks for December 10th, 2013, we've got our shorts. Now the first short on our list for today is ADT. This is in the business services sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. We like this company as a short for today with the following reasons. The stock is in a downtrend. The stock enjoyed a relief rally from mid-October into November. The stock gapped up in November and sold off, then had 2 days that it got sold off later in the session before the stock gapped down and dropped on extremely heavy volume. After this gap lower, the momentum was clearly to the downside and the stock started to move lower. Then the stock made a weak rally attempt on low volume that ended in an intraday reversal and sell-off yesterday. And today, the stock followed through to the downside and edged below the gap low. We'll see if the sell-off can continue in this name, and if this company does drop below $39.50 a share, we plan to short the stock with a price target of $38.63 as an intraday trade. Here's a daily chart of ADT. Next up, we've got FIO. This is the computer hardware sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. We like this company as a short for today for the following reasons. The stock is in a multi-year downtrend. In October, the stock gapped down to a new 52-week low, and the stock had not made any significant move higher since. Over the past month, the stock has been working its way lower, and yesterday the stock moved lower and closed at the low of the day after a weak one-day attempt to move up last week. We'll see if this stock can drop any lower, and if it does go below $9.25 a share, we plan to short the stock with a price target of $9.02 on an intraday trade. Here's a daily chart of FIO. Next up, we've got IPI. This trades on the New York Stock Exchange. Now, we had this on our list yesterday, and it performed well for us. Even though it did not quite reach our target, we still like it a short again for today. The main reasons are the stock is still in a multi-year downtrend. The sector had a big gap down in July and has not made its way back to pre-gap levels. The last rally ended in a shooting star as the stock attempted to move up past the previous high. Since then, the stock has been trading lower. 2 days ago, the stock moved towards the lows after attempting to move up 2 sessions ago, indicating a lack of buyers. And yesterday, the stock broke down and made a move lower on increased volume. We'll see just how weak this stock stays as the morning market opens, and if it does drop below $14.70 a share, we'll be looking to short it with a price target of $14.27. Here's a daily chart of IPI. Next up, we've got Lionsgate Entertainment, LGF. This is in the entertainment sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. We'd like Lionsgate as a short for today for the following reasons. The stock has been moving lower since topping out in October. Some of the moves on the way down have been large enough and fairly dramatic. Last week, the stock attempted to rally and got sold off immediately. After consolidating for several sessions, yesterday the stock broke down and had a big drop on heavy volume. We'll see just how far Lionsgate can go as the market opens, and if it does drop below $28.58 a share, we plan to short the stock with an intraday price target of $27.30 a share. Here's a daily chart of Lionsgate. Next up, we've got NVDA. This is in the semiconductor sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. We've had this on the short list before and it's done quite well. Now, the reasons why we're looking to short it today are for the following reasons. The stock has been looking choppy after making a high in September. Since the high of September, the stock has not been able to make a significantly higher high. The last move above $16 in November quickly sold back down to its previous trading range. The most recent high was a lower high, indicating a lack of buyers. Over the past 3 sessions, the stock has been moving lower towards a previous support level, and yesterday the stock had a big follow-through down day, closing at support. We'll see if this stock can break below support today, and if it does go below $15.10 a share, we plan to get in there on a short with a price target of $14.87. Here's a daily chart of NVDA. Next up, we've got SD. This is an energy sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. We like this stock as a short for today for the following reasons. The stock is in a long-term downtrend. The stock had a relief rally from September into October, and the rally clearly lost momentum. The stock started to trade sideways before putting a big drop. Since then, the stock has been drifting lower, and yesterday the stock had a big day down, closing at the lows of the day on heavy volume. We'll see if the selling pressure continues as the market opens today, and if this stock does drop below $5.20, we plan to short it with a price target of $5.07 on an intraday trade. Here's the daily chart of SD. The final short we got on the list for today is TSL. This is in the solar sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. This is another one we made a lot of money on yesterday and had our short list. It did exactly what we're going to do, and we plan to short it again today. Now, if this stock can drop below $11.50, we plan to jump it out one more time to try and grab up another 40 cents with a price target of $11.10 on an intraday trade. Once again, my name is Colin McLeod from the StockMarketBasics.com. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for future updates, as well as checking out our Freedom 35 membership.